Hi, and welcome to Learn Bulk Tech Lab. Today we're going to talk about what is coding. Have you ever wondered how games, apps, and even robots actually work? Like, how does pressing a button make something happen on a screen or real life? Well, the answer is simple. It's something called coding. So basically, coding is like giving instructions to a computer. Just like how you give instructions to a person, you can also give instructions to a computer, but in a language it understands. So computer doesn't understand English or human language the way that we do. So we use special languages like Python or Java or even block coding such as Scratch. So in reference to my previous video, I showed an LED light turning on using a simulation in Tinkergame. That light didn't just turn on by itself. It follows the instruction that I gave through a code. So when I wrote the code, it was basically telling the computer to turn this light on and then turn it off and then turn it on again. So if you look at some of the real life examples we see in apps that we use daily, like TikTok, even as traffic lights and in robots. So all of these are built using code. So every time something reacts or moves automatically, there is coding behind it. You can think of something like a recipe. If you follow a recipe step by step, you get a cake. If you give a computer step-by-step instructions, you get a program or an action. If one step is wrong, the result changes. So that's why coding needs precision. So coding is just giving instructions to computers to make things happen. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually start coding using Scratch, a beginner-friendly way to build your first program visually. So if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss out. Thank you.